Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to today's video. Today we are going to hit up Pristine Parts car meet tonight, but the STI is filthy, so we're going to give that a wash as well as get the Supra out there, and then we're going to meet up with some friends. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. We've got some good content lined up, so stick around, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get it started. Alright, we were rolling deep. Look at the squad we were rolling with.
What? Am I making it to the next? What?
Are you in the vlog right now?
Vlog?
Tell them to subscribe. Tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe, guys. We gotta hit the 1K giveaway. What kind of camera is that? That's like
Japan. Got the 240 out. Got the Evo with us. The F2K. The Prelude. These bros right here. What do you guys get?
Expensive pizza.
Outdoor dining at its finest.
Yeah. You want a slice? Anyone?
I want boba.
Lance, you guys want boba?
I'm down. Cheers.
Oh, I thought it was
Nope.
last time I missed. I went. I stabbed myself.
Steven! Steven! What's up, boy?
You made it in the vlog.
Huh?
Oh, we're parked right here too, right?
Yeah.
Should we go back?
Want to go with them? Yeah. Yeah, let's come back. And of course, you got an RX-7, NSX, and an R34. Beautiful Bayside blue. This thing looks amazing. You got some Lambos out here. Let me get the front of these for you. Look at this drip. Drop dead drizzle, baby. Let's check it out. What is that? It's a popsicle stick. It looks like thank you for watching this week's video. I appreciate it if you watched it to the end and you're seeing this now. We're at 75 subscribers and like to get to 100 so we can do a giveaway. So if you're not subscribed and you're watching this, please go ahead and do so, as well as like and comment. And we want to give a shout out to Pristine Parts for hosting the event this week. Every time we go, it's awesome. Always a great turnout with lots of cool cars. So thank you for watching the video, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye.